So here I have a video to show you how to create a simple driver program with Scala and Maven to run the program in the Hadoop environment. So first you need to download. Can you see it? So first we need to download the Scala IDE from this website. And in the instructions, it actually shows, formally shows us to download Eclipse, but I think now all we get is IntelliJ, which is fine. And the second step that we need to set environment variable, which you need to make sure that Java is installed and the environmental path is set in your computer, so you can so that the IDE knows how to where to find your Java program, Java compiler. So in the Windows, these are the steps because I'm running the Linux setup. So in the Linux, you can go to the etc /etc environment to edit the global path. Yeah. In this path, they show all the global paths in the environmental path. So you can just add the path to them, and there are other ways like /profile, which only you can only add like temporary path to this text, which if you start your virtual image next time, it'll disappear. Or if you end this session, it'll disappear. So after that, we start our program. Yeah. This is in the IntelliJ IDE. And the first we need to do is to create a Maven project. Maven project, you can use Maven project to import plugins.
Show where is the project with the pointer, because I don't think anyone can see that. Go on show with pointer.
Oh, okay. It's yeah. This in this interface, yeah, you can see the Maven project here, and you can create a sample from that. Actually, when I did this, they provide a default sample, which is Scala archetype simple 1.2. That doesn't work for me, which yeah, suffers me so bad. Throws a lot of errors when I'm running it, and I recommend you download the Scala archetype simple 1.6, which you can find on the GitHub, and import this and create a group ID, artifact ID. Yeah, now you start. So after setting those up, yeah, you can. You need to add dependencies in the Maven project in the XML style uh, to add plugins and what we need to use like Spark Core and Spark SQL plugin to compile that to the Scala jar program. Yes. Like you can copy that in the dependencies. And after that, yeah. After that, you basically you can jump into the Scala artifact to program your Scala in the driver in the main. Yeah, here. You can write your Scala program here. And here we write a simple driver program which import car data from the and select the lines we want for the to yeah, in this program, first you need to create a Spark context, which is an entry for your to tell the Spark to enter your program, and then you create a RDD file RDD to split your lines of car data set into lines, and then you map the car object to the car RDD, and after that, I didn't show the points. Yes, after that, in the lines below, there are a Spark SQL, which to tell the which you can select the lines you want in the next part and export that to the query RDD and export that to a text file. And here we build a file, build it and compress it into the Scala jar file. Yeah. After that, you need to download the data txt to your Hadoop environment to the cluster, and also the jar file, which is the Spark SQL Scala jar. You need to push the data txt to the Hadoop file system. And and then you can run the Spark submit command to use the driver program and the hard data set to calculate that, and export the result to your Spark output. And I'll show the results. Yeah. This means you can successfully get the results from the Spark. It generates two files. One is success, one is part 000. All right, that's the result. Thank you. And my question is, anybody know what does Maven clean and install do? Maven clean and install. What does it do?
It's a project manager, right? For
Yes.
Ecosystem, so it installs the file.
Yes. The Maven clean just clean the Maven clean commands cleans the build, and Maven compile all those files into the jar file.